Kitchen Professionals was established in 2009 as a small company with just one employee, which is myself. And in the last 15 years, we have seen tremendous growth thanks to all our clients who had trust in myself and the company. So we had a 3-day event, which the basic purpose was to introduce the Fagor IKORE combi cooking ovens to the Kenyan market and to the Kenyan food enthusiasts. And Kitchen Professionals has been working with Fagor for the last 14 plus years. So we have a strong relationship in terms of design, supply, after sales service, and of course holding of spare parts and a lot of collaboration, giving new ideas to the market. And of course we will take this further.
Talk about Fagor, we have the entire range of food service equipments and laundry equipments. When we talk about food service, we have the entire range of combi ovens, we have refrigerations, we have distributions, we have pot pans, we have large cooking equipment, and it's manufactured in Spain. The experience with the Nairobi chefs is really great. My mindset has completely changed. The culinary diversity in this region is pretty dominant. The young generations, they always, excites me. So it's really good and important to give right direction to the young students who are, starting their career into management and culinary arts. And then, of course, they need to have some guidance to that. So it was a wonderful step to be among students who are based in Kenya, and I wish them all the luck.
This event has been really well done. There's been a lot of new exhibitors. Lots of new ideas have been exchanged here. Been a lot of good networking, chefs competition happening at the same time. And it's all to get people together, sharing ideas in terms of their products and services. And right now we're at Kitchen Professionals. Kitchen Professionals have been in the industry for many years, and they specialize in turnkey kitchen solutions, from an empty space to creating a whole kitchen where chefs can work in a safe environment with modern equipment. It's a revolution in kitchen and cooking, where chefs can make meals in a safe and healthy environment, as well as cooking quicker, providing diners with better experiences with healthier food. You can see the way cooking is changing with the revolutionary equipment, and I guess this is the way to go when you're in hospitality, in the food business. You need to keep on innovating and looking at new innovations that are coming in from the kitchen equipment that they supply.
Today I am supporting Kitchen Professionals. Kitchen Professionals are introducing new range of products from the Fagor kitchen equipment company from Spain. The products we are promoting for Kitchen Professionals are very advanced. The Fagor line of kitchen equipment is the best that you can get in the industry. Saving in terms of cost, is saving in time, is saving in terms of space, and everything is very neat and organized. It's a very good machine to work with because it optimizes your time and effort and space.
We have been showcasing the Fagor kitchen equipment, which we have the concept oven with the kitchen professional distributor. We have showcased what they can do to the number of people today.
Kitchen Professionals and Fagor partnered together to give this exciting experience, the Fagor IKORE oven cooking experience, to all the visitors. Most of them were qualified, highly experienced chefs, and also a lot of newer chefs were looking at taking their careers forward, as well as investors in the industry, the hotel industry. Overall, it was a fantastic show. We look forward to host more of such shows, and we will also be having the same live cooking experience in our kitchen professionals premises. We look forward to invite more chefs and the industry players to come and visit us and see also what else we have in the complete entire Fagor product range and also other product ranges.